Hello my hungry friends, today we're making something truly delicious Tex Mex Chicken. And since it's a one-pot dish, it's incredibly quick and easy to whip up. We'll need a few spices: pepper, salt, cayenne pepper or chili powder, and oregano for that lovely flavor. We'll need rice. I'm using long grain rice. And we'll need strained tomatoes, chicken breast fillets or turkey breast as an alternative. We need chicken broth, kidney beans, canned corn, and a second type of beans. I'm going with chili beans. But that's optional if you prefer. You can definitely go with just kidney beans and corn, but you'll need to use a bit more corn in this case. And we'll also need grated cheese. Now, go ahead and find a nicely sized casserole dish and start by adding the kidney beans to it. Then the rice. Basically, all the ingredients. Now the corn. Then the chili beans, provided you've chosen this combination. Next, we'll add the strained tomatoes. By the way, the order you add the ingredients is entirely up to you. It doesn't have to be exactly the same as mine. Now, add a heaping teaspoon of chicken broth, the casserole dish. Then season with pepper. Next, sprinkle in some salt. Then add cayenne pepper or chili powder for a delicious flavor. If you like it spicier, feel free to add a little more. Sprinkle some oregano over the top, and then add a bit of water. Now mix everything together. I'm using salad servers for this, it works well. And as you can see, the order doesn't really matter, since everything is mixed at the end. Once everything is thoroughly combined, place the chicken breast fillets on top. The dish is really full now. Once all the fillets are placed, put the dish in the oven and cover it. Next, be sure to cover it securely with aluminum foil, and then bake it for about 80 to 90 minutes. For me, it was 90 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius, top and bottom heat. After that, take the dish out of the oven and remove the aluminum foil. Sprinkle the chicken breast fillets with the grated cheese. Add as much or as little as you like. I always say more, the better. Is that done? Then put the dish back into the oven, and if it has a broil setting, make sure to use it. I'll do this for 10 minutes at 200 degrees. Otherwise, just leave it in at the same temperature until the cheese is nicely melted. And this is how delicious our casserole looks. Doesn't it make your mouth water already? You can also sprinkle it with some fresh herbs, or like I enjoy, with finely chopped green onions, and then serve it up nicely. As you could see, preparing this dish really couldn't be simpler, and the result doesn't just look delicious, it tastes just as amazing. I highly recommend you give this a go. Enjoy the process of whipping this up and truly savor every delicious bite of your meal. See you next time. Bye bye.